Yeah, good afternoon, guys. Welcome once again to VICTORIOUSFX channel. On this channel, we do a top-down analysis, weekly top-down analysis on GU for now. You know how we do it every week. We do a top-down analysis on GU to see what the market holds for us for the next coming week, and to also have a review and also to recap of what happened on week 34. At our last video, we did the last video on GU. On week 34, we predicted that the market was going to buy a little, then continue selling if this last daily support is be broken and retest, right? And this coming week 35, we are going to look at what the market holds for us and also try to break it down so that we will have a clear edge what we're expecting this coming week. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly hit the subscribe button, hit this share button, hit the notification button, share to your friends out there in order for them to have access to this YouTube channel and understand and have a clear understanding about what the market is going to do the next coming week. I guess it will really help them a lot, so without wasting time, let's start looking at what the market holds for us this coming week. This week 35, as you can see on our daily, I told you guys that this daily demand area, we expect it to break and to retest, then we continue to sell to the downside. So what are we having? Automatically last week 34, the market broke that demand area, as you can see, broke it, and now we're waiting for that retest to occur fully, and then we expect a push to the downside. So generally right now the market is not bearish to my understanding, right? Because we have broken daily demand area, so the market is not bearish. We are not bearish on GU. So having said that, we are not bearish on GU. GU is not bearish. So since the market is not bearish, we have some levels that are already marked out. A level of I'm looking at for areas of values, areas that are important to me, so if the market breaks, retest, then we expect to continue to push down to the downside. All right, so this is what I'm expecting the market to do right now. So but we have a clear understanding if we go to a lower time frame. So without wasting time, let's jump to 4-hour time frame to see what is happening in 4-hour time frame in order for us to get a clear view of what the market has been doing. Okay, so let's go to 4 hours. Wow, so you guys can see this, right? The market has broken a structure, as you can see, broken structure, moved to the downside, pushed up a little bit, continued the downside. But me looking very closely, you can see what the market is doing here. I'm seeing market taking some people out here. Something is happening there within those two candles. I'm coming. Okay, so something's happened with these two candles. So market actually broke to the downside, moved up to the upper side with a strong bullish momentum candle, and what happened? Close to here bullish, and then market started riding to the downside. All right, so in 4 hours right now, we're having a new area of concentration. We're having this area, 4 hours new high and 4 hours new low. Okay, this is the area we're looking at for now. See, so if price breaks this area, then we wait for a little, then we target the next demand support area, which is 1.23938. this area from price. I'm expecting price to come down to this area this coming week if we break this last 4 hours support area, right? So that's it, just guys. But before then, there is a possibility for price to push up from here, a minor push up. Not that the market is, remember we are in a bearish move right now on GU, so there's a possibility for market to come here, react here, push up, go back to premium level. Okay, I'll go back to premium level. If we put our Fibonacci to this level, hold on. Right, or market can also, I'm coming, if you look closely, we have some fair value gaps here. Fair value gap, let me get my okay, so fair value gap there, and we have the supply area here. Okay, so market can still tap into this area and continue the downside, all right, or get back to this area. So we are expecting market to take out this fair value gaps, come back, get back to its supply, then push down to the downside. Okay, so this might likely happen, then do this, then continuation to the downside. So that's just this, guys. So we're expecting a minor bullish movement to the upside, then a continuation to the downside. Remember, the momentum is only heading to the downside, so all we're expecting is to sell. All right, GU is bearish, guys. GU is now fully bearish, so what we only expect is to sell it off, guys, is to sell. So that's just it, guys. So if this coming week we are looking at keep selling GU, then those that will buy the minor push back to the upside to this 4 hour supply area should be very careful the way to trade it, you know. So that's just it. So I'm expecting two things here: a push up, a minor push up to the upside, mitigating the supply, taking out this fair value gap here. Let me show you guys. So this is a fair value gap, fair value gap, it's a fair value gap. Okay, so take them out, then continue the downside, or market breaks, retrace a bit, then you find a confirmation candle, then continue the downside. All right, so this is my view on GU this coming week. This is my view on GU this coming week. It's my view on GU this coming week. So as you can see, what market did here, market took these guys out. Let me show you guys. You know, I told you on the previous video that market is ranging. Okay, it was ranging then. Let me show you guys, so you guys don't get it twisted, right? Okay, was ranging within this area, you see. Then this area, market was just ranging, and I told you guys in the previous video that, you see what market was doing, came back and then again went up together with this guy, then that come and this and like an M pattern, right? Like an M pattern, and continue the downside. So we're waiting for that filling this area, the market continues the downside. So don't get it twisted, guys. So only prepare your mind to keep selling JU this coming week. This coming week we keep selling JU, and as I said always, before we you jump into the trade, always check your news. All right, so before we conclude, news can change the direction of the market at any time. Okay, so let's see what the news holds for us this coming week. All right, I use my FS book because I love them more, so I use my FS book for checking my news. So let me refresh this, guys. Okay, guys, so okay, yeah, I've already filled out the high impact news. So on Monday we have only, okay, there's no news coming on USD or British pound, no news coming on USD on Monday. Okay, news is coming on USD on Tuesday. Job openings, so, and it's a high impact news. You can see it's a high impact news, so you have to look out for that news. For those trading Euro USD, a lot of news is coming on Euro USD on Wednesday. Be careful, trade responsibly. Then also the same Wednesday, USD news is coming up. A very high impact news, guys. You have to look out for this news if you are trading. And no, most times I want the, okay, this is what I do, right? What I do is this: when I go to a new week, when I start my new week, trading new week, I always set alarm. Like for instance, this coming week now we have this news on, let me start from the first one, on this on USD news. I'm good in trading USD, that's why I trade mostly USD and GBP JPY. All right, sorry, GBP USD, sorry. What I do is, this news coming around 3 o'clock Nigerian time, right? So what I do is I set timer alarm. All right, like I'll just say it, I'll set it US news, no, by, I can just put 2:30. all right, so it just gives me a clue before the time for that. I said it before the time of the news, right? So it just gives me a clue that alert me to, just alert me that news is already coming. So I have to just rush and check what the news is all about, and know if I'm on the trade, if I should leave the trade or I should continue trading, right? So depending on the news, so always try to set an alarm. It's very, very important. It's very, very important. So like this one now, you can set alarm. This is 1:15, so you can set alarm by 1 o'clock. By 1 o'clock you get an alarm, alerting you that upcoming news. So if you are trading, you leave the trade and see what the news is going to do, right? And take your profit and move. You understand? So that's just it, guys. So and on Thursday, if we see, we have a lot of news coming on Thursday. That's that 1st of August. A lot of news coming on Thursday. USD. So if you are trading USD, be careful. And it's a very high impact news, guys. A very high impact news. High impact news, when you see high impact news, means that it can change the direction of the market. Okay, it's a news that is capable of changing the direction of the market. Okay, so you have to look out for this news. That's why they say it's a high impact news. Very, very important. So having said that, send Friday, another news is coming up. PMI. PMI is coming up Friday. Wow. Okay, I do trade PMI. I love it, but it's also a high impact news, guys. So watch out for news, guys. So this coming week, let's look out for selling opportunities on GU. Selling opportunities on GU, guys. Selling opportunities on GU. So that's what we are looking out for. Sell opportunities on GU. Okay, selling opportunity on GU. So that's what we are looking out for. Okay, so guys, that was it, guys. So if you are new to this YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, turn on the notification button, If you have any comments, please kindly drop your comment. If you have any other topic you would love us to treat, or if there's any other currency you want us to do a top analysis on, add to what we are doing, kindly leave a comment there for us to know the pairs that we should be analyzing for you guys every weekend. Okay, so for now, right now, we are dealing on GU, and that's one of the forex pairs I love trading. You know, in the forex industry, you should have a forex pair, a pair that you love trading, right? So you don't trade randomly. So if you know the movements of the pair, it helps you to trade it for a while. Okay, so that's just it, guys. So see you at the other side. Peace out.